As our robotic explorers continue to peel back the secrets of Mars, the next frontier looms large, sending humans to the Red Planet. At Infinity Beyond, we see this not just as an engineering challenge, but as one of the most ambitious dreams humanity has ever dared to pursue, a step toward becoming a truly multi-planetary species. The concept of a manned mission to Mars has existed for decades, living in the pages of science fiction novels and echoing in the ambitions of space visionaries like Wernher von Braun and Carl Sagan. But now, with rapid advances in technology, international collaboration, and private spaceflight, that vision is beginning to take shape in the real world. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the Moon as a stepping stone for deeper space missions. The experience gained in operating on the lunar surface, especially establishing sustainable life support systems, in situ resource utilization, and long-term human health monitoring, will provide critical knowledge for an eventual trip to Mars. Meanwhile, agencies like SpaceX are pushing the boundaries even further. Elon Musk's vision of using the Starship launch system to carry humans to Mars has ignited a renewed sense of urgency and possibility. Though the timeline is still uncertain, the groundwork is being laid. Launch systems are being tested. Closed-loop habitats are being designed. Simulated Mars bases have already been constructed on Earth, from deserts in Utah to volcanic slopes in Hawaii. But Mars will not welcome us easily. The journey alone takes 6 to 9 months, depending on planetary alignment. Once there, astronauts will face challenges never encountered before. Unbreathable air, bone-chilling cold, and gravity that is only 38% of Earth's. Radiation from the sun and cosmic rays pose significant risks in the absence of a strong magnetic field or thick atmosphere. Surface storms, though not violent, can last for weeks and plunge entire regions into darkness, complicating solar energy production and navigation. Life support must be airtight and resilient. Food, water, and oxygen cannot be entirely shipped from Earth. Instead, future Martian pioneers will need to generate resources on-site, extracting water from ice or regolith, growing food in greenhouses, and producing oxygen and fuel from the planet's carbon dioxide-rich atmosphere. These technologies are still in development but are advancing steadily, tested through experiments on the International Space Station and Earth analogs. Yet, despite these hardships, the allure of Mars remains irresistible. Why? At Infinity Beyond, we believe it's because Mars offers something unique, a blank page in the story of humanity. To stand on another world and look up at a pale blue dot in the sky to know that your home is one of countless stars away is a profound shift in perspective. Mars represents more than exploration. It is a mirror in which we examine our ingenuity, our resilience, and our desire to reach beyond what we were told was possible. The psychological and philosophical implications of humans on Mars are as significant as the scientific ones. What kind of societies will we build on another world? How will we preserve our humanity in a place so alien? And what will it mean to be an Earthling living on Mars? These are the questions that fuel every simulation, every rover mission, and every launch. Mars is not just a destination. It is a proving ground for science, for survival, and for the spirit of exploration itself. At Infinity Beyond, we are watching this future unfold with wonder and anticipation. The first human footprint on Mars may be years or decades away, but the journey has already begun. And one day soon, that red dust will hold the marks of our ambition, our curiosity, and our courage.